Is Pepper's collected trot. Now, the object of collection is to get the horse to round through the spine, lift up through the rib cage, and utilize their forequarters and their hindquarters in the most efficient manner. Also, you would like to see the head be perpendicular to the ground. So the way that we're working on it is we're going to do the bridge and squeeze. Instead of going up, we're going to go out with the rein and we're going to squeeze a little bit. There we go. Now as soon as she hits that nice soft spot, I'm going to release. She went back to popping her nose out a little bit, and I'm going to squeeze through. I'm squeezing through my inner thighs as well as my calf muscles, and I'm going to hold her in that state. So she knows when I squeeze that her head needs to go down. Now she's putting her head down a little lower than I would like. I just want her to keep it right there. And as soon as she gets her head right there, I'm going to ease up and release. There we go. And eventually she'll be able to hold it there very, very well. Right now we're getting a pretty good collection. But I want her to bring up that inside shoulder a little bit. So I'm going to push more with my inside leg, and I'm going to bring up her shoulder. Now see the difference. I've got her nose just slightly tilted to the inside, and I've got her shoulder a little bit higher. So I'm pretty happy with that. So I'll be able to stop and go and get a much easier turn. Now I'd like her to keep that nose in. There we go. Because I'm working on like that Western pleasure frame, except a little bit higher with the head. I don't want her head real low. What I would like is I'd like her to be flat across the top line. And I'd like her head to be perpendicular, and I'd like it to be consistent. Now that's just going to come with working on it. But I can hold her consistently for a good couple of rounds. And she's just gradually going to build strength working in that collected trot. And we're just going to keep doing that over and over and over again. And we're gradually going to add smaller and smaller circles. And we're really going to end up building up her shoulders and building up her hindquarters a whole lot better over time.